Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll explore 3 creative ways to use Floor Generator, a plugin well known for creating quick and customizable floor layouts. More than its basics, we've used Floor Generator for some unique applications. First, vertical wooden slats. Second, vertical panels with varied widths. And third, tiles or panels with dynamic tilt effect. These techniques can elevate your scenes and add a fresh, sophisticated touch to your interiors. Let's get started. For our first tip, we are going to use Floor Generator to create vertical wooden slats. Let's check out a few reference images, so you can see how easy and flexible this approach can be. Start by creating a plane or rectangle. Instead of placing the Floor Generator on the ground plane, set it up in the front or left view to orient it vertically. Then position it exactly where you want it. Next, head into the Floor Generator settings. Set the slat length to cover the wall height and specify a consistent width for each slat. Adjust the spacing for a sleek, modern look. Here, I'm setting it to around 1 to 1.5 centimeters for a clean and minimalist vibe. Change direction to 90 degrees to have slats oriented vertically. You can modify these settings anytime to get the look you want. Now that the slats are set up, let's add a wood material. You can go with a simple wood texture or use a multi-texture map for variation among individual boards. To make the slats stand out, set the background wall color to black. I'll use a black wall material from the Corona material library. And again, play with the direction parameter to control the slat's orientation. Change the angles for different results. And for even more creativity, try arranging slats in various shapes or angles to create unique 3D wall panels that can stand out as stunning accents in your projects. If you are designing a room divider, consider adding a symmetry modifier. By default, Floor Generator only populates the front side, but symmetry can fill in the back, giving you a polished look on both sides. This technique brings both texture and warmth to any room. Next, let's mix things up with vertical slats that have varying widths. This technique adds a dynamic rhythm to the wall, perfect for a feature wall with lots of visual interest. In Floor Generator, enable random width variation and set a minimum and maximum width range. This adds a subtle yet engaging visual flow to the wall. You can experiment with different values to get just the right amount of variation. Don't forget to use the seed parameter to explore different layout options for your paneling. To add more depth, try assigning varied wood tones to the slats. Inside the multi-texture map, adjust gamma, hue, and saturation randomness for quick color variation. This small step brings a rich, layered look to your wall, ideal for feature installations. For our final technique, let's explore tile patterns. Whether in wood or ceramic finishes, this approach can add an original, sculptural element to your projects. Floor Generator can easily create tiled surfaces, but we'll add a twist, literally. In the settings, set square dimensions, like 80 to 100 mm, for both length and width. Then, add a slight tilt angle variation to each tile. This adds a dynamic 3D effect as the tile catch light at different angles, ideal for modern bathrooms, spa-inspired spaces, or unique wood-paneled installations. The angled tiles bring an amazing play of light and shadows, giving a simple wall a luxurious, eye-catching look. Adjust the tilt angle to find the perfect balance for your scene. And there you have it, 3 unique ways to use floor generator for walls and tiles. With these easy tweaks, you can unlock countless design possibilities, adding style and depth to any space. These techniques help you take your designs to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And let me know in the comments which technique will you be using next in your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.